Hello Michelle and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some tips that can actually help you increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers and grow your company. I will be covering content, citations and backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. You have very nice pictures at the front. You have the links to the different back pages, links to the different services, so custom homes, kitchen and bathroom models, some home additions or room additions, the reasons why people should choose to work with you, testimonials and reviews and the gallery. I love this portfolio. And then the obligation quote or no obligation quote, I mean, or the contact us form over here, and then in the footer some location and contact details. So anything that you have in your front page is considered content. So let's have a look at how you're saving your images, for example. I cannot see them. Give me one sec. Over here, save image as. So home remodeling contractors, Orange County. Looks like you are actually targeting a specific keyword, so well done there. Few things that you can do to improve the user experience and the conversion rate is have the click to call button over here at the top. Have a contact us form over here. Just make it very easy for people to reach out to you. You could add click to call buttons, action buttons throughout the homepage so that whenever people are actually looking at one screen, they have the option to call you. Then you can have the contact us form in the footer as well. So whenever they're going to each of the location back pages or location pages or the different back pages on your website, they always have the contact us form at the bottom or some means to reach out to you. In terms of the amount of content, right now your front page has 1,052 words. And if I have a look at two of your competitors, see how they have the click to call button over here. C Point, these guys have 409 words. And Enclave Remodeling, these guys have 1,225 words. To be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words, because through content, Google is able to understand what the websites are about first, and second, you are able to push through more relevant value intent keywords. So definitely an opportunity for you there is just to review the content and just make sure that you sprinkle it with value intent keywords. I came here to the Google search and I type in home remodeling Orange County. The first section that we find is the Google ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. Then you have the Google Maps. This section drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic, and to rank here, you need optimized and geotag pictures. You need reviews, and then you also need citations, which is basically to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those in your Google business profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. The third section is the Google organic search, and here is where I found your competitors. You are actually ranking on the first page for that particular keyword. But let's have a look, because to rank here, you need a website that is safe, secure, that has the right content, and then you need something that is called backlinks. So to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs, and in this tool is telling me that there are 432 backlinks in 201 external websites, and a backlink is just that, a link in another website that is directing traffic or pointing towards your website. If I have a look at Cpoint, these guys have 11,300 backlinks in 5,000 referring domains, and Enclave Remodeling, they have 563 backlinks in 203 external websites. So it's important to have a look at that backlink profile. Just make sure that you not only have more backlinks, but you have quality backlinks, and those are the ones that are sitting on websites that are related to the services that you provide, because this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which are the websites that are the most relevant ones according to the search that people are performing. And if you have those type of backlinks, then Google is going to regard your website as an authority in those particular topics. Now, the organic keyword section, you are being found, or your website is being found, for 107 organic keywords. I filtered them out by Orange County, so you're actually ranking for quite a number of keywords. Here the volume tells me the number of times this keyword is searched for per month, and then the position is in which position your website is appearing for that particular keyword. So you can see here that you are actually ranking for the search that we performed. You're appearing on the first page, but you can see that you are ranking not necessarily in the top positions. And because of that, it's very hard for your website to attract traffic. So for example, custom construction Orange County, the search volume is 90 and you're in position 6. So you're able to get an estimate traffic of 5 visits per month. But here, see, there's good volume. For example, Orange County bathroom remodeling, 200 searches per month, but you're in position 27. If we have a look at SC Point, these guys are being found for 9,900 organic keywords. I filtered them out by Orange County. They are ranking in the top positions. And for example, general contractor Orange County has a search volume of 350, and because they're on the first position, they were able to get an estimated traffic of 42 visits. Orange County home remodel, search volume 100, 35 visits. Custom cabinets, 350. They're on the fourth, they get 32 estimate visits, estimate traffic. So the message here is that you really want to rank up high in the top positions because there's a big difference between the first hit or the first result and those websites that are ranking at the lower end of the front page. So you want to identify what are those keywords, make sure that you are ranking for those keywords, and then once you have those, then build a backlink profile so that you can rank at the top, outrank your competitors, capture a portion of that traffic, meaning that some of the customers, potential customers, are going to end up in your website, they're going to reach out to you, and then depending on your closing rate, you will convert them into your customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to improve your online presence. And please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.